Hello everybody and welcome to this particular product's instructional video. So let's have a look at what's inside our box today. Alright, first things first, we have some medium length uprights. Let's put them off to one side. We have some partition shelves. Some more medium length uprights, a nice bag of connectors, some more partition shelves, a pair of gloves, it's actually very convenient, a mallet, some gardening tools, very nice, more partition shelves, some short length uprights, some long length uprights, more partition shelves, more of these long uprights. Let's get them out here. Fantastic. Another partition shelf, and the most important thing, the instruction manual. Alright, first things first, let's put on our gloves that they so graciously provided for us. Reason for the gloves being these products are carbonated at 300 degrees Celsius. So if you work with them with your bare hands, your fingertips do tend to get a little black. So best to use the gloves. So first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open our box of couplings and we are going to create 22 sets of this. Let me show you. Take your medium length one, your medium length upright, then on either end hammer in your connectors, your triangle connectors. Like so. Please make sure that on either end the connectors are facing up. So you'll see that there's a little hole here and there. And make sure they are all pointing in the same direction. We've got one there. 1, 2. Like so. Ew. Why so many? Yeah. Let's make sure it's the same. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, now that we have assembled 22 of these items, let's call them item A, we are going to create some partition shelves. So take the middle end of the partition shelf and place two of each, or one of each, two in total, on either side. So when you do that, please make sure that all the holes face upwards. All right, and are pointing in the same direction. So let's get started with our first piece and hammer it into place. So your partition shelf should look like this. All holes facing upwards. Just make sure they're knocked in properly and nicely aligned. Similar. Okay. All right, now let's assemble the first stand. So first we're gonna need a partition shelf and then the medium uprights. You'll see you do have extra pieces inside your package. So take 4 of these and hammer them into the holes in the triangle connectors, the upright holes. Like so. And then on top of this, we are going to add another partition shelf. Now please make sure that they are facing in the same direction and not like this, otherwise it's not gonna look very good in my opinion. So let's add the second partition shelf. Very gently at first, like so. And now for the next step, we're gonna take our long uprights. We're gonna take 4 long uprights and place them into the triangle connectors, like so. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we take our partition shelf and we place it on top, like so. All right, fantastic. First shelf is completed. Now let's move on to the second one. Second one's very simple. Let's take a partition shelf and 4 long uprights. And we are going to hammer these uprights into the triangle connectors, like so. And then simply we are going to add another partition shelf on top. Like so. Fairly easy to assemble. Now, we can put another one on top, and I think we are going to do it for this step 6. So take 4 more long uprights and place them on top into the triangle connectors. There we go, like so. And then we just simply add another on top. Ooh. Like so. There we go. That is the second part of our partition shelf. Now for the third one, take your medium length uprights and hammer them into place like so. Then take another partition shelf and place it on top. There we go. then to that we're going to add 4 more uprights, like so. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To that we are going to add another partition shelf, like so. Ooh, there we go. Hammer it into place. There is our third piece. And now for our last piece. Just very simply, 4 tall uprights, the last 4 you have. And the last partition shelf goes on top. Like so. Fantastic. And there you have it, extra parts. And we have 4 different sized partition shelves, which you can arrange any way you want. Fantastic.